You think about the giant chess game by the picnic table. And right behind the picnic table is another picnic table and a grill. Let's see, so big, giant, yay. Oh, those are heavier than I thought. I guess they have to be so wind doesn't blow them, but they're in between 2 units.
So we're on the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feeling like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay. So we're on our way, yeah.
Oh, right. This is Kingsgate, guys. Kind of like a little apartment complex that they made into vacation rentals. 2 different water features. So this is where you actually check in, this front area. They actually have a movie theater, activity center. So much to do here. They have very nice tennis courts. They have an outside pool, and oh my goodness, there's a duck in the pool. Lakeland, there's a duck in the pool. Oh, that is so funny. Wherever you can find water. Playground area. All right, and a fire pit in between the courts and the playground. So another pool. This is probably like an adult-only pool.
I want to go in that one.
Maybe. I'm just guessing. A little water fountain.
I want a hot tub.
And check this out, guys. Golf. Mini golf.
Here we go.
And here is the other section of the putt-putt. Oh, looks like they have a little bar area that's open sometimes. And by the way, of course, the putt-putt is free. Check out the fitness room, game room, indoor pool. And we have the indoor pool. Oh, it is steamy in here. Wow, that's relaxing. So we come in and we're upstairs. I'll show you that in a second. So we have a kitchenette, refrigerator, comes with popcorn and hot chocolate. Wyndham rooms used to come with lemonade, but they hadn't been stocking them lately. Full size microwave, small stovetop, and of course everything you need. Silverware, all the extra utensils. So we have washer and dryer, which is always nice. We're in Williamsburg, so appropriate artwork. That is the couch, yes. All right, so makeup mirror, which is nice. And then we enter into the hallway. Great place for luggage. And in to the bedroom. And wish I had more light for you. Mirror. Closet, safe back there. Even comes with a step stool. That's nice. So, alright, let's see our view. We have a wooded view. It's nice. Are you liking it?
Let's go get him.
Let's go get Lakeland. Small little TV, plenty of Chester drawers. Got to show, is this a closet or yes? So your broom and ironing board, lots of wooden hangers. What do you think about this, baby girl? Is this good?
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, what I like about the Wyndham properties is once you stay at one, you're automatically connected to their Wi-Fi. So my phone, even though I've never stayed here before, my phone is already connected to their Wi-Fi, which is wonderful. Here he comes. He's having a hard time. Why is there no elevator, he says. Hey, you're making noise.